What is going on, guys? Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. Here we go again with another watch video, and I'm pretty excited because this is my first Amazfit watch. And this one's really interesting because it looks pretty different from all the other watches I've reviewed before. But before anything, let's unbox this bad boy. We have a clean white box with some branding on the front and of course a picture of the watch as well. To the sides, we have some of the key features which of course we'll be talking about later. While on the back, of course, we have more details. Inside the box is another box with some branding, Boxception. And finally, inside of that, we have the watch, which we'll put aside for now, but we also get the documentation, which you should keep for warranty, and of course, the charging cable. No brick for this one, so you'll need to plug it into one that you already own. Now that that's out of the way, let's look at the three main things that make the T-Rex Pro the tough smartwatch. Number 1. Military Standard Toughness. So we're starting with the design and build. We got ours in Desert Gray, but we also have options for Meteorite Black and Steel Blue. They should have named it Blue Steel because, you know, Zoolander. But either way, I like it. It's a good break from the usual black smartwatches, plus it's inspired by the great outdoors, which I'm sure a lot of us miss a lot. And it doesn't only look rugged, but it's pretty light as well, weighing in at 59.4 grams. I wore it while doing rounds in my subdivision and it didn't feel straining at all. But of course, that doesn't mean it's not extremely durable. It has 15 military certifications. That includes withstanding a freezing negative 40 degrees Celsius to a scorching 70 degrees Celsius heat. And based on tests, it was able to survive a 96-hour salt spray. Not to mention sporting 1080M water resistance, suitable for swimming up to 100 meters. And watches like this get me pretty excited because you know you can take it with you on all your adventures when the world fully opens up again. Fingers crossed. Number 2. Professional Outdoor Sports Companion. Okay, you guys know it can take a beating, but let's get to the smart and the smartwatch. Considering everything I mentioned earlier, you'd really want this protected because it has so much to offer. It sports a 1.3-inch AMOLED display where you can navigate through the UI and enjoy all the smart features. You're treated to over 100 sports modes, so simple stuff like running, swimming, or cycling, to more complicated stuff like rowing or even hiking. And speaking of hiking, you know this watch is a great companion for that because it has a barometric altimeter, a trusty compass, and of course high-precision navigation with quad GNSS. And if you do decide to go camping, we have a whopping 18-day battery life for typical use, and for heavy usage, you still get a lengthy 9 days worth. So yeah, lots of big terms in this section, but basically, the T-Rex Pro can walk the talk. Number 3. Comprehensive Health Monitoring. And last, but definitely not the least, I mean there is a global pandemic, so technically this is probably the most important part. Yep, tracking your health. I mean, we already wear masks and face shields when we go out, and most of us already wear watches, so might as well wear one that helps you better take care of yourself. Plus, this also works hand in hand with the sport tracking thanks to First Beat, which helps with analytics for stuff like stress, recovery, and exercise. But we also have the fundamentals here, like the AI blood oxygen saturation measurement by Oxygen Beats. Oxygen Beats sounds like a boy band. You can never be too sure if something's wrong. It's also nifty that it reminds you to test whenever it detects level changes in altitude. So again, really useful if you're doing activities like, mountain climbing. You also have Somnus Care, which monitors your sleep, all of it, light or deep sleep or even REM. And thanks to this, you can better understand your sleeping patterns. And I was pretty disappointed with my results. I should be getting more sleep, don't be like me. See, I'm already learning something about myself from this watch. It may have felt like I got enough sleep when I woke up, but the results do not lie. That's a pretty low score. Overall, I was pretty happy and thankful I got to try out this watch. Not only will you be getting a device you know will survive in all the harsh conditions, but it's a watch that will probably help you survive and live healthier. And in a world where health is literally wealth now, I think that the Amazfit T-Rex Pro is one tough and amazing companion. and you can grab it for just 8,090 pesos on both Shopee and Lazada. You guys can check out more tech reviews on unbox.ph. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because when you hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.